Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Bright Learners. Today, let's explore the city together. We will learn 50 common places in the city with simple sentences. Let's get started.
I shop at the mall.
I shop at the mall.
I buy clothes at the clothing store.
I buy clothes at the clothing store.
I try on shoes at the shoe store.
I try on shoes at the shoe store.
I buy a toaster at the department store.
I buy a toaster at the department store.
I see rings at the jewelry store.
I see rings at the jewelry store.
I wash my clothes at the laundromat.
I wash my clothes at the laundromat.
I clean my coat at the dry cleaner.
I clean my coat at the dry cleaner.
I fix my suit at the tailor shop.
I fix my suit at the tailor shop.
I fill my cart at the supermarket.
I fill my cart at the supermarket.
I buy food at the grocery store.
I buy food at the grocery store.
I eat dinner at the restaurant.
I eat dinner at the restaurant.
I drink coffee at the café.
I drink coffee at the cafe.
I buy bread at the bakery.
I buy bread at the bakery.
I choose my lunch at the food court.
I choose my lunch at the food court.
I order a burger at the fast food restaurant.
I order a burger at the fast food restaurant.
I buy apples at the farmer's market.
I buy apples at the farmer's market.
I grab a snack at the convenience store.
I grab a snack at the convenience store.
I live in this apartment building.
I live in this apartment building.
I stay at the hotel.
I stay at the hotel.
I choose a bed at the furniture store.
I choose a bed at the furniture store.
I buy tools at the hardware store.
I buy tools at the hardware store.
I look for houses at the real estate agency.
I look for houses at the real estate agency.
I find jobs at the employment agency.
I find jobs at the employment agency.
I buy roses at the flower shop.
I buy roses at the flower shop.
I feed puppies at the pet shop.
I feed puppies at the pet shop.
I take a photo at the photo studio.
I take a photo at the photo studio.
I catch the train at the subway station.
I catch the train at the subway station.
I wait for the bus at the bus stop.
I wait for the bus at the bus stop.
I buy a ticket at the train station.
I buy a ticket at the train station.
I board a plane at the airport.
I board a plane at the airport.
I fill my car at the gas station.
I fill my car at the gas station.
I park my car in the parking lot.
I park my car in the parking lot.
I buy a car at the dealership.
I buy a car at the dealership.
I fix my car at the car repair shop.
I fix my car at the car repair shop.
I fixed my bike at the bicycle shop.
I fix my bike at the bicycle shop.
I buy plates at the thrift store.
I buy plates at the thrift store.
I get a SIM card at the mobile phone shop.
I get a SIM card at the mobile phone shop.
I save my money at the bank.
I save my money at the bank.
I send a package at the post office.
I send a package at the post office.
I borrow books at the library.
I borrow books at the library.
I ask for help at the police station.
I ask for help at the police station.
I see trucks at the fire station.
I see trucks at the fire station.
I get my papers at the city hall.
I get my papers at the city hall.
I get my ID at the government service center.
I get my ID at the government service center.
I meet neighbors at the community center.
I meet neighbors at the community center.
I learn new things at school.
I learn new things at school.
I register my child at the school office.
I register my child at the school office.
I practice my English at the ESL class.
I practice my English at the ESL class.
I leave my child at the daycare center.
I leave my child at the daycare center.
I take my kids to the playground.
I take my kids to the playground.
I have my baby at the hospital.
I have my baby at the hospital.
I see the doctor at the clinic.
I see the doctor at the clinic.
I buy medicine at the pharmacy.
I buy medicine at the pharmacy.
I clean my teeth at the dental office.
I clean my teeth at the dental office.
I buy glasses at the optical shop.
I buy glasses at the optical shop.
My dog gets shots at the animal hospital.
My dog gets shots at the animal hospital.
I work out at the gym.
I work out at the gym.
I get my hair cut at the hair salon.
I get my hair cut at the hair salon.
I relax my body at the spa.
I relax my body at the spa.
I go for a walk at the park.
I go for a walk at the park.
I have fun at the beach.
I have fun at the beach.
I watch a movie at the cinema.
I watch a movie at the cinema.
I see dinosaurs at the museum.
I see dinosaurs at the museum.
Great job today! Now you know 50 city places and simple sentences. If this video helped you learn some English, please give us a like and subscribe for more easy English videos. See you next time. Bye!